Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Mushfiqur and we are back with another video. So alright guys, we all used to make a bubble with shampoo, but that was limited. But we thought why it can be unlimited. So before we start our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So alright guys, today we made a thing. As you guys can see, we made a bubble maker. So unlimited bubble can be obtained from it. So you guys are wondering how we made this thing. So let's see first how we made this thing.
So you guys saw the first bubble maker. Now you guys can see it's another bubble maker. Actually we modified it.
So alright guys, let's see how it's works. Alright guys, it's working properly. As you guys can see, the childhood feelings coming back again. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this video, then you must be like and subscribe to the channel. So this is God of Experiment. My name is Mushfiqur and I'll catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.